I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Guild Wars 2 on your Mac. Since Guild Wars 2 is designed for Windows, it doesn't have a native Mac OS version. But don't worry, there is a highly effective way to get you into the game. We will explore the best method to run the full Windows version of Guild Wars 2 directly on your Apple computer, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. Let's dive into the details. The most reliable and efficient way to play Guild Wars 2 on your Mac is by using Parallels Desktop. This powerful virtualization software creates a Windows environment directly on your computer. You will install Windows 11 for ARM within Parallels, which is specifically optimized for Apple Silicon chips. This combination provides a robust platform, allowing you to enjoy the full Guild Wars 2 experience with impressive performance and stability. Setting up your gaming environment is straightforward. Begin by downloading and installing Parallels Desktop onto your Mac. Once installed, Parallels will guide you through the process of installing Windows 11 for ARM. It's crucial to allocate sufficient resources. Aim for at least 8 GB of RAM and 4 CPU cores to your virtual machine for optimal performance. After Windows is ready, simply download and install Guild Wars 2 as you would on any Windows PC. To ensure the best possible gameplay, optimize your setup. Within Parallels Desktop, adjust the virtual machine settings to prioritize gaming performance. Make sure all your Windows 11 drivers, especially graphics drivers, are completely up to date. If you experience any lag, consider lowering the in-game graphics settings. Finally, close any unnecessary applications running on both your Mac OS and Windows environments to free up valuable system resources for Guild Wars 2.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.